Alright guys, it is May 9th, 2026, and this is the end, well, this is the end of the new branch, but this is a really different branch because it's not growing like a normal branch should. You see here what I'm looking at. If I can get it to go in focus, there's 3 leaves growing off this branch at the exact same spot on the branch. Now, this particular species of tree does have the leaves grow at the same spot, but only 2. Okay, follow me. Normally, they're in groups of 2. Only 2 at the same spot. Now, this is a bonsai tree, and it has been modified, but this was natural growth off of this year, and I have, from the beginning of the season, when this started growing, this branch is actually 4 branches that merged into one branch. That's 4 branches off of one knuckle, the top of the limb that was clipped, so it would regrow, but that is 4 branches merged into one, and it goes about this far, and then it splits into 2. Okay, so it went from 4 to 2, but the DNA of this one changed to 3. That is pretty wild. The bottom one has skipped. It's way different. So, I'm curious to see how this grows through the year. This is brand new growth at the beginning of 2026 spring. So, very curious to see how this continues growing from here. I can't cut it off now. I usually want to cut off something higher than that. That was last year's cutoff. Now this is the highest part on the plant, which is approximately 6 feet right now. So yeah, interesting. And I just noticed that today, that it's going in 3s instead of normal pairs, which is very, very strange. Not normal.